request a reinstatement based on Judge Alsup's ruling, especially for those who were terminated under the direction of OPM. You can also, step 2, challenge this termination through the administrative appeals process. Remember, I did a training a few weeks ago, go look at it, but there's something called the Merit Systems Protection Board. Merit Systems Protection Board. That is who you're going to file your challenge. That is who you're going to request reinstatement through your director, your direct supervisor, and through the Merit Systems Protection Board. If necessary, you can retain an attorney and have them assist you with litigation. So 3 things around the immediate rights if you are terminated under probation. There's a small window of time that you have to challenge this. The first thing you're going to do is request reinstatement. The second thing that you're going to do is challenge the termination. Who am I challenging the termination through? The Merit Systems Protection Board. And if necessary, retain an attorney so that you can challenge it. As an employee or someone that's represented by the union, the third thing, I'm going to get rid of numbers because I got a lot of them, okay? But the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to monitor OPM and your specific agency to make sure they are fully rescinding, right? So you're going to be your brother's keeper, your sister's keeper, be your own gatekeeper, and make sure that these agencies are actually doing what the judge ruled on, which is rescinding the unlawful termination across all federal departments, not just the 6. The 6 sets the groundwork or the trajectory for the additional agencies. If you find that there is non-compliance, if they are not complying with the judge's order, your attorney, your posture is to file a motion for enforcement or contempt of the proceedings against OPM. It's a lot of legalities, y'all. That's why when this things first started to break within the first 2 weeks of January, I brought in an attorney, Dixon, and I said, the best thing that you can do is retain legal counsel. Meet with an attorney to understand what your position is, because we knew that there were going to be challenges. We knew that there were going to be lawsuits. We know that you as a lone ranger can't do it by yourself. And so the best thing to do is start with your agency, start with your division directors, start with the merit-based, but you should absolutely be speaking with an attorney that if necessary, they can go in and file these motions on your behalf, because your jobs, your livelihood, all of that is of the utmost importance, okay? The next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that if there were any evaluations or conversations that were had as a result of this, you have a documented process that you can use to demand a formalized reinstatement policy. You can go to your agency and say, the judge ruled this. Where is the formalized reinstatement policy for the employees that were wrongfully terminated? Now, I'm giving you the facts, but the practical thing about this is we know they're going to run you, they're going to give you the runaround. They're going to put you on the rumor mill. They're going to put you on the hamster wheel and kind of drag you through the process, which is why you really need an attorney to speak legalese. Because when it comes time for legalese, not only is it attorney's fees and things that can be repaid, but there are also damages and liabilities that you are entitled to